Had a few people ask me, how do I change my damper on my DTF printer, which I'm using a Prestige A3 R+. And I realized I started up my morning and did my usual head cleaning and nozzle check. And my nozzle check came back twice where I had no white coming out of one of the white dampers. So that tells me right there the damper is damaged. I've tried a couple of head cleanings and it still has the same results. So what you'll do is you want to not waste any of the white ink in the damper that's already there. So what you want to do is you want to take a clean syringe, and these you can get from Amazon. They're just a little plug like this. You want to open your white bottle so you can have it open and ready. Your white bottle of ink. Take the damper that's damaged or not working, and these can easily come off. You just kind of work its way to the edge. See, and it comes off like that. So now we can put on the new one. New one's on. Now you have some air, of course, because you took out the old one. So you want to take your syringe and pull in some of the white ink. There we go. Here's some white ink coming in. But this one looks clean, and I'm going to put this back in the white. I'm going to do this a couple of times. Now the new one is ready, and I'll put that back in here. So now you still have some ink that's left in your old damper. You want to take as much as you can out. You know, don't want to waste any. And put it back in your white bottle of ink. Close the lid. And now this damper basically is trash. You want to do a head cleaning to get any excess bubbles you may see out of the damper. So I'm going to put my test sheet, which all this is screen print sheets that I got from Amazon. Were great for test sheets. Basically your nozzle check sheets. I'll put my nozzle check sheet in while it's thinking, and I'll run a new nozzle check just to make sure everything's flowing well. Okay, so to fix my problem, I did have to get pretty dirty, and that's the thing with the DTF printers. I mean, you are going to get dirty. So I did have to not use that one damper I found, which was for an older Prestige unit. Don't know why, it just didn't work. But I put in a new damper, which matches all of the dampers that's there, and it came out just fine. So we have a good nozzle check. You notice the whites are good and solid. We have magenta, cyan, black, and you can barely see yellow, but it is there. And so we have a good nozzle check now, and we are good to move forward with all of my orders today. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was insightful for you on how to change your dampers. And also it does tell you that, well, it tells me, don't buy the dampers that are not for your printer. They may not work, or they may be old. I did end up moving this damper to this side, and the old damper I had on this side, just to see if maybe it was a clog, and it was not. That's how you can check too if it's a clog. Just for the white dampers, for that matter, is switch the dampers and then run another nozzle check to see if it actually has no stripes on your nozzle check on the side that you thought was clogged. And it did have some stripes, but not very much at all. So that means to me that the damper was damaged still, the newer damper. So I got a brand new damper, just like the ones that are for my machine, and it worked fine. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions on this, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks. Bye.